Hi, I'm Chris Munoz, founder and owner of Precision One Lending LLC, and I'm here today to go over a few things with you we can do to get funding for your company ASAP. Our core principles, where we're located, and our process from start to finish. By the end of the video, you're going to know what it's like coming on board and what it's like going through to the end of the process and getting funding for your company. It's no secret that getting business loan lending today has changed drastically over the last 20 years. And it's just not that simple anymore. We're here to help mitigate the risk and make the process just a little bit easier so that you can get started in your business. Unfortunately, the days of walking into a bank, getting approved on a whim, and walking out with a $200,000 business loan are long gone. To qualify for a business loan with the bank, you would need to show that you are already in business, making $100,000 annual yearly income, and you can pay the money back immediately. The biggest hiccup companies face when starting a business is not having enough capital. Either not having enough capital from the start, or not knowing where to get the capital. This is a major setback to any business owner with a great business plan that does not have the capital to get started. I, a business finance entrepreneur, know the ins and outs of the industry. We also know the struggles that you'll be facing as a startup entrepreneur looking to get funding for your business, especially if the credit profile doesn't meet the expectations of a bank or traditional financing institution. Fortunately, with our network of lenders, we've made things a lot easier to get you from point A to point B in the quickest time frame possible. Not to sound rude, when a potential customer tells me that they need to talk to their bank or traditional lending institution first before contacting us and moving forward, I already know to expect a call back from that customer the next day. This is because banks today aren't doing startup business loans anymore. The last thing we want to do is send you to a bank or lending institution knowing that you're not qualified. This will land a hard inquiry on your credit. I can tell you that chances of getting a business loan go up when you're talking to a network of the right people. This is why I put together a network of startup business lenders that focus solely on startup business lending. This automatically puts you in a better position, getting a higher chance for business capital. I've created a network of lenders and created a process that will make it easy as ABC to get you funding in and out the door as quickly as possible. We're going to do everything in our power to make sure that every client feels we're being transparent and doing everything in our power to get them in and out of the door as quickly as possible. How our process works is simple. We'll begin by doing the underwriting. We'll put you in lending category A, B, C, or D, and anybody who doesn't qualify, we'll tell you off the bat, and that would be lender category F. Would be completely unqualified, and I'll tell you that right from the get-go, we can't work with you. This is a very, very, very small percentage of the people that we talk to. People that have major items on their credit report that our lenders just can't work with. If that's the case, then our funding advisors will let you know that up front. The good news is that we should have some way to work with everybody. If it's not available at first, we'll put together a plan in place. We have a team that will execute that plan with speed and finality, so that at the end of the process, you'll have numerous lending options to work with. We would never want to waste your time or ours. So if there's nothing available and you don't qualify, then we'll tell you that up front. We'll place you in lending category A, B, C, or D after we do the underwriting. We'll automatically have a network of lenders that they can work with. Either on-the-spot lending options available or a plan in place to get you there as quickly as possible. Again, we execute everything with speed and finality, as we believe this is the best way to do business, as speed is essential in the startup process, as we would never want to see fail. Financial freedom is essential in life as in business, and you as a startup business owner are making the right moves to getting started in financial freedom. It's not easy to start a business, and it's certainly not for everyone, so I want to pat yourself on the back for having the courage to get started. So congratulations. If you made it to the end of the video, you're already one step closer to getting business funding. Just fill out this small preliminary file on the link below, and I or a team member will get back with you as soon as possible. We'll talk to you soon.